Hi everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. As you can see by the title, this is a Blackpink inspired fashion video. I got a few requests on my other DIYs that I should do some Blackpink, and you're absolutely right because I haven't done a Blackpink inspired anything in a while. So it's time. And I'm super excited because I love these outfits and how they turned out. It's been a while since I filmed a video like this, so it's a little bit weird for me. And I don't even have a script or anything. I'm just gonna talk. Let's see how this goes. Let's start with the first outfit. What shall we do? Which one? Chisoo. Let's do Chisoo. For Chisoo's outfit, I went with this look. And this was a request. And also when I saw this outfit for the first time, I knew that I really wanted to recreate it because it's so cool. It looks so cute. So for the t-shirt, I bought a white t-shirt from H&M and I drew this huge smiley on it. It took me a long time because I made this one first to make sure that the paint and the markers were waterproof. So I made this like 2 weeks ago, and then I made the yellow circle a week ago, and I finished it yesterday. Then I have a pair of blue jeans. It also took me a while to find suitable ones that were a skinnier fit at the top and high-waisted and more of like baggy, straight kind of looking legs. And now for the tricky part, the arm warmers, because I couldn't find any arm warmers that I could just buy. So I was looking for jumpers that I could cut off the sleeves and use them as arm warmers. And I also couldn't find any suitable jumpers for that because apparently my thrift store doesn't have anything that I can use ever. It's so depressing, so sad. So I took a shirt and cut off the sleeves, and in the next clip you will see how. First I put my arm into the sleeve to measure the length of the arm warmers. Then I tried it on again to make a little hole for the thumb. Then repeat with the second sleeve and you're done. For the t-shirt, I definitely recommend you to put a carton in between so the paint doesn't go through till the other side of the shirt. Next, I measured to make sure that the circle was going to be in the middle of the shirt. I put in the shirt once to see where I wanted the smiley to be placed, and then I drew the outlines with a pencil. Next, I mixed some yellow and white paint and started painting. Make sure to read the instructions of your paint. For example, I had to leave mine dry overnight. And then I moved on to the eyes. And I also had to iron the shirt to make sure that the paint is waterproof. And here you have the complete look. Next I'm gonna show you Rose's outfit, and this was also a request. It's her look from the How You Like That dance practice, and I like it. I got a black workout bra and I made sure that it looked similar to the one she had, and it's from LS. And for pants I have a pair of black cargo pants I got from Pull&Bear. And for the DIY I have a top that I cut apart. I'm gonna use the rest though, it's not going anywhere. And now I'm gonna show you how I made this. I started off by putting on the pullover to measure how much I wanted to cut it. I recommend you to cut the front and the back part separately so you make sure it's nicely done. A little trim that had to be trimmed again because it wasn't that good. And at the end I added a special liquid that will prevent it from forming loose ends. The next member is Jenny, and I'm gonna recreate this look I found on her Instagram. I think it's really cute, and I instantly knew where to find the pieces that I needed. My main motivation to recreate this look was actually the accessory, because I knew that I could recreate that one by myself. I used to create a lot of jewelry myself when I was younger, and I went back to these roots and tried out a lot of different options. The first ones were me trying to recreate the name Jacquemus, and that did not go well. But then I decided to just go for a nice little detail like flowers or yeah. And the one I ended up using was this one. And I think it's such a cool thing to spice up an outfit with, and I'm definitely going to be using more of this type of accessories. I got this green cropped cardigan from Pull&Bear. I got this top from H&M, and my favorite pair of jeans that you would know if you watched my previous video that I'm gonna link up here. It's my pair of black jeans from Nem, and I think they fit this style very well. And now I'm gonna show you how I made all of these accessories. First, a little disclaimer, it might not be that easy to see all the steps because it was difficult to film. If you want a more detailed explanation, then just let me know and I'll see if I can make a more detailed video about it. For these accessories I used a gold wire, and with the help of some tools I was able to shape it in the shape of flowers, circles, a lot of different things. I ended up making a few of them because I was never satisfied with the result. But yeah, here it is. And last but not least, we have Lisa. I found this outfit yesterday. I had another one that I wanted to DIY, but it was too complicated and I knew that it wouldn't turn out well enough for me to actually want to keep it. So I decided I'm gonna keep researching until I know how to do that DIY properly. And in the meantime, I found another one and it was so quick. I found it and I instantly knew I had to do this because I had the stuff that I needed, or I knew where to find that stuff. And it's this outfit that she wore during an episode of the program that she was a mentor. And for this look, I needed a pair of black pants and a cropped pullover. And since I decided last minute that I would do this DIY, I couldn't find the actual color of the cropped pullover, so I went for a green one. And when I saw this at Zara, I knew instantly, this is amazing, I need this. Also, I haven't been wearing green a lot lately, but then I came home and I remembered that I had green for Jenny's DIY. But anyways, I love this top so much, and it's not your typical cropped pullover. It looks like there's two pieces on top of each other, and I think it looks really cute. And for the black pants, I used a pair of black pants that I have before, and I printed these little stickers myself and I ironed them on top of my pants. And I thought that this DIY would be a lot easier than it actually was, because it took me almost 2 hours to cut out every single sticker, and there are some small ones, and then to take off the paper and to iron them on top of these pants. But I might add some more stickers in the future when I have more time and patience for it. And now I'm going to show you how I made this. I started off by looking for some cute pictures that I could use as stickers. I used Canva for this, but you can also use any other program that you might have. I put the pens next to the stickers so I could see how big they would be and adjusted it to my liking. Next, I printed it on some t-shirt transfer paper. Please read the instructions of your paper because it might be different than mine. And the rest is pretty much self-explanatory. And here you have the finished look. And this is it for today's video. It's probably going to be a long one because I have a lot of footage, but I still hope that you enjoyed it and that it inspired you to recreate some of these outfits yourself. Let me know if you have other recommendations or anything else that you want to tell me. Ask me anything about these outfits or ask me anything else. You can also find me on Instagram, where I post a lot of fashion inspiration. I hope to see you there, and I hope to see you at my next video. Take care. I wish you an amazing week, day, life.